Hi, I will start my task 1 presentation for my assignment. So that the solution that I choose is the AI application should as the assistant in the predict and the prevent crime AI application. Okay, next. So in the social sides, the AI application should able to reduce in crime rate, and the AI can help the police potentially reduce the crime rate. It means that the police will stop the crime before it's happened, but it also have the negative impact, means that which is a threat. It is also threat to civil and liberty and privacy to the peoples, because that the AI need to do the prediction. It means that AI also require a lot of the data. It will leading the constant surveillance, and this also invade the personal privacy. Okay, next. From the legal side, also have the problem, because for now the Malaysian legal system are based on the principle of innocent until proven guilty. Means that a person cannot be convicted a crime they have not committed. The but the AI application not like is 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 predict a person that crime before is he do something. So this is the first problem. Next is the AI application also maybe have the misclarification problems. The AI might incorrect label and act, means that a person if doing the self-defense, the AI may clarify it as a crime. This also highlighted that the importance of the human oversight in the AI application. Yes. Okay, for the ethical sides, the bias in AI also the common problems. The bias in AI is the continuing existing problem in the data. There can be the gender or ratios biases, like assuming higher crime likelihood for a certain group. For example, if they have a crime between the males and the females, uh, mostly we'll say that the male have the high possibility is the person that having the crime. They also have the negative impact for the free will for a person. The predictive policing affect the individual free wills and the autonomy. This impact to the ethical for ethicals, because the punish is based on the prediction but not the action, so uh, hmm, this is the workflow that I create for the balanced approach. One person suspended in crime, then the AI prediction and the legal expert should do the should combine the two sides of the decision, then do the final decision, so it can avoid more of the problems. Yes. Okay. Next for the task 1, part B, the techniques and the step that used to minimize the biasness in my AI application. Okay, here is the 4 technique in minimize the biases. First is the transparency in the algorithm. The transparency is the crucial in AI development for the responsible AI. The transparent algorithm ensure the human safe and the well-being. The clear of the algorithms uh, can make the people trust for the AI, because common people cannot understand what the AI doing. For example, the autonomous driving company also has shown out their algorithm for any stakeholder or the customer, so they can use the autonomous driving in more safety. For the next is the bias detect and mitigation. So the bias is common problem in the AI. So the identify and the detect the potential source of the bias in AI system is also important. And once they have found the bias in a system, the developers should develop the strategy to mitigate them. So the next is the continuous monitoring and the audits. This also the common problem, common thing need to do, no matter in the AI or the software development. So the testing we are doing the continuous in the whole development process, and after the development also need to do the continuous monitoring. The last is the data gathering. The data gathering should ensure that the data collection should diverse and representative samples, and the data used should from the various area background and ethnic group. It reflect a wide range of the behavior and situation to prevent the biases prediction process. Okay. Okay, for next is the task one, part C. The four values that ethical AI solution should have. That I choose is human rights and human dignity become paramount and particularly. Okay, for ensure the human rights and the human dignity, the first that need to do is have the strong privacy protections. The crime prediction system is require most of the data, which must include the sensitive personal data information. So the developer should implement the robust encryption technique to make sure the safe of the sensitive informations. Then the data storage also have establishing the clear data government policies. It should detailing who can access the sensitive data in safety, so the data can protected in safety. Okay. The preventing bias in the air also important in make sure the human rights and the human dignity. AI application bias is the common problem in the AIs. The bias algorithm or training data is the factor that lead the discrimination. The to avoid the bias in the AIs, the developer can use the bias detection tools, and uh, developer also can use the techniques, uh, for example, revisiting resample or using the techniques such as the adversarial trainings. uh, okay the conducting the regular audit and make the modification to ensure the AI model remain the unbiased also important process. Last is the human monitoring in AI decision making. This also the point that I have say just now for the task B. The AI should be the assistant, not as the person who make the decision. So the AI should monitoring by the humans. The AI can help to detect the crime activity, but uh, yes, but the human police should have the last say in the matter of this nature. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, is important is avoiding the possible injustices. This monitoring serve to stick the balance between the efficiency of AI and the judge of the human official.